The gunman accused in the deadly UVA shooting will make his first appearance in front of a judge 1 hour from now.
He's facing new charges in the attack that killed 3 football players and injured 2 other people. Bob Barnard live in Charlottesville, where the hearing is expected to get underway soon. Bob, good morning.
Hey, Steve, Jeanette, good morning to you. We understand that the murder suspect, Christopher Darnell Jones Jr., will remain in the Albemarle County Jail this morning and appear in the courthouse here via a video hookup. And as you mentioned, he's not only facing those 3 counts of second-degree murder, but 2 additional charges of malicious wounding for shooting the 2 victims who survived the attack, one of them being another football player, the other a young woman student. In court today, we'll find out whether Jones can afford a lawyer and what his bond status will be. We believe he's going to be held without bond. We still are not sure about the motive behind the shooting Sunday night after this class field trip to Washington, D.C. The New York Post, the Washington Post reporting that Jones kind of was on his own during the bus ride, during the play, which was for a class on African-American authors, the play at the Mosaic Theater in Northeast D.C. on H Street. There may have been some talk about a video game before the shots were fired. The UVA head football coach, Tony Elliott, spoke passionately about all 3 of the players who were killed in the attack Sunday, starting with Lavelle Davis Jr.
His presence, he's got a gentleness about him, but he's passionate about what he believes in. You know, Deshaun, I don't think, many people outside of our program understand how special Deshaun was. Very, very, very artistic, could draw, could shape pots with clay. And Devin was, he's what you wanted in a young person that's at this level, but he just was a big kid. Smiled all the time, loved to dance.
Now, Mike Hollins has been identified as the 4th UVA football player wounded in the attack, a junior running back from Louisiana. He remains hospitalized, badly injured. Marlee Morgan has been identified in the court filing for the malicious wounding charges as the student who was the 5th person shot on that bus. The court hearing starts at 9 o'clock this morning, guys. I'll be in there and come out afterward to let you know what happens. Also, later this morning, the family of Deshaun Perry, one of the football players murdered Sunday night, will have a news conference in his hometown of Coral Gables near Miami with a family lawyer and his high school football coach talking about who he was and the legacy he leaves behind, guys.